Hi guys, welcome to my fifth tutorial on XHTML. In this video I'm going to talk about links. Links basically are, I'm going to give you a very simple example. If you go to Google, at the top you have images, maps, all these are links, okay? Basically links are something that will take you to a new page on the web. So every time you click there, you'll note that the top bar, the address bar, will change. The URL will change into something different. Okay, if you search something, for example, on Google, let's type Facebook, something like that. Oops, sorry, Facebook. All these are links. Okay, different links to take you to different pages. Now I'm going to show you how to create links in your own web page. It's very simple, and how to redirect those links to the URL that you want, or to the page or web page you want. Now to do that, the first thing we're going to create, first of all, I want you guys to create for you to have starting to have an idea how web pages are created or websites. Create directory here, a folder. Let's call this portal. Let's call it portal. And here inside we will create our first. Let's create a new file. Sorry. And the file will be the one that we are creating right now, or we'll create right now in Notepad. So let's create an HTML file first of all. So we have a web page, and title, head, the head, and body. Okay, I'm gonna save this as let's type page1.html, and this has to be inside the portal, okay, which is our the directory where we're going to put all the files or XHTML files of the website. So inside portal is where we're going to create our website, or the simple pages of our website, and create a few links. So you'll see how links work. Now inside body, let's type this is page 1 of the website, and let's put this under header 3, h3. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna create a second file, or a second page, and basically we can take all the code from the page 1 and put it here, and save this as page2.html. Now I'm going to show you in the first page. Let's say I want a link to Facebook in the first page. So here I type href and close A. Okay, or anchor tags, that's what they called, is basically to create links. So every time you see an A or a href tag and close A, basically it's a anchor tag or a link to somewhere, to another page on the web. Now the address that you want to give the user to go to is here between these double quotes, and you have to put the complete, let's type HTTP, the complete address. Okay, so let's type facebook.com, and here is what the user will see. Between the tags here is what the user will see in the browser or the page. So let's type Facebook, sorry, let's type go to Facebook, or click here to go to Facebook. Now we can save this, and let's open this in Chrome, see the result. Oh, sorry, we have to close this here, title. I forgot that. Save it, refresh. Okay, so this is what we have now in the browser. You'll see that we have this is page 1 of the website, which is this little thing here, and this line of code here is what we get in here. Now, if you look carefully, you can click it when you mouse over it, and if you click it, will be redirected to Facebook. Now, with this said, you can put here whatever address bar, whatever address you want. Let's say if you want to go to Google, and you can change this to, let's go to Google. Click here to go to Google, and let's go back. Sorry. Let's go back, refresh, and you'll see that click here to go to Google, click it, and we go to the address bar, or the address URL that we've put it here. Now I'm going to show you how you can also create links to go from one page to another on your own website. Okay, let's go to the code. Now let's create a link. Instead of going to Google, we will create a link to go to page 2. So let's get out of here. Let's take this out, and now we just have to type page 2.html. Okay, now make sure that you always have when you put page 2, you always have page 2 in the same directory as page 1. Otherwise it will not work. And if you have, let's say you have a directory here called direct, and page 2 is inside direct, you should put here direct, okay, and slash here. But now we have everything in the same directory, so let's delete this folder, page 1 and page 2. Okay, so the link to page 2 is created, and now let's copy this and go to page 2 and create a link back to page 1. It's very simple. Just change this to page 1 and this to page 1. Okay, this is how you can go from a web page to another web page inside your own website. Let me just go here. Now if I refresh, I have click here to page 2, and if I click, oh sorry, I have to close here the title tag, don't forget that, and I can also change this and click and type page 2. Now everything should be working fine. Okay, let's go to page 1. Okay, so we are in page 1 now, and if you click to go to page 2, we are in page 2. You see that this H3 header changes, page 2. Now let's go back to page 1, and we go back to page 1. Okay, so these are links, and this is how links work and make it possible for you to travel around all around the internet or the web. And without links, we can travel or jump between web page to another web page. So it's very important for you to understand how links work. And if you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.